So, you don't know how to use Notion and you don't know how to take university notes? Don't worry, I got you. Hi, my name is Weza. I'm a third year optics student, and today I'm going to show you how I've been writing my university notes since first year till now. And I want to say that these notes really got me some good grades, so I really just wanted to share how I create my notes, and maybe it will help you. If you watch till the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get the student plan for free on Notion. I'm just speaking into my mic here, and I'm just going to show you guys how I write my notes on Notion. So as you can see my university dashboard. This is actually a template. I do not have time to create a dashboard.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So I literally found one using the Notion template. There's thousands on Notion specifically where you can choose. I sat down for like an hour choosing my favorite dashboard or template, and then I just customized it to my liking. I was trying to find the template so I can put it in my bio so you guys can use it. The template that I use, I don't know where it is.
I found the template, guys. The link is in my bio.
But I think it's best for you to see for yourself which template you like, and you can customize it to your liking. So looking here, it's very much organized. I wanted to see what I'm going to do for the whole year, and this template was really nice where I could just add all my assignments, assessments, exams, the dates, and when I finish I can press done. So it shows that I've done it and it feels like an accomplishment. So going to my notes. So if I click here, these are actually my first and second year notes that I wrote personally, and I wanted to show you guys how I actually wrote my notes, especially in the very heavy dense modules that I had. So I had a module in first year that it's just ocular anatomy, so everything that I needed to know about the eye, and you can see there is loads of different things that I needed to remember. And I got a good mark on it, so I want to show you guys how I actually got a good mark. So what I did was I broke it down in terms of what was said in the lecture. So what I do in the lecture is I actually write questions. So for example, if the lecturer, this is about orbit and osteology, orbit and osteology. Lecturer may be saying, okay, how many parts is the skull divided in? That is literally my note. I am going to write questions instead of full out blown notes to remember the information. Why? Because not only you are doing active recall because it isn't a question, it's also toggled. So when you open the question, the answer is there for you to see. It's so much easier than writing everything because you may have a lot of information that you need to write down. But this for me was so much easier, and it's so much organized because it doesn't seem like a lot. It doesn't seem overwhelming. I think you need to have notes that are very much easy to read, easy to understand, and for you to actually engage with, and this way encompasses all of that in just a simple toggle function on Notion. If you use the student plan, you can put as many pictures, videos into your notes so that it makes it so interactive. So that's what I did. I added a lot of pictures, comments. In some cases, I would add even videos to help me understand the content that I'm writing. If we go to my second year notes for kind of anatomy-based module.
I honestly don't know why I said that. It's not anatomy based, it's microbiology and pathology, so yeah, ignore me again.
So this time we're going to talk about pathology. I broke it down because we had lectures on pathology and lectures on microbiology, and again, I really liked this module, even though it was quite intense. As you can see in this microbiology, I have a lot. I've even hyperlinked resources, so when I click this, it goes back to the actual original PowerPoint presentation of the lecture. As you can see, I've added different pictures. A lot, a lot is in here, and it just makes life so much easier when you're on top of things. For example, even just definition, define pathogen, the answer is there. What you do in the lecture is you're creating the questions there and then. So when you come back, you always have to come back to actually write your questions full out and make sure that you have the right answers to those questions. But once you've written all those questions in the lecture, in your own time, come back to your notes, watch the lecture, and finish off writing the questions, writing the answers to the questions, which was in your lecture, then add whatever resources that you need. And that's how I was able to get a grade on this module, I was able to get a grade on the anatomy modules too. And then when it comes to revising, essentially you have already written your revision notes as well. Now just sit down, let's say I'm in introduction of pathology, whipping up this, and you kind of, well, for me anyways, I kind of sit down and I talk to myself, and I actually asking myself the questions, and then I'm trying to answer the questions and then see if I get the answer to growth, which is, this idea of cells getting bigger. So did we get that? Increase in size. It is really simple yet really effective. I think that's it. I hope that was helpful. In terms of trying to get the membership for the student planner motion, I was trying to find the original video that I watched, but this was back in like 2023, so I couldn't find it. Put a link in my bio. A video very similar to the one that I watched when I first set up my student membership, and it's completely free, and essentially all you need to do is put your university email to Notion, but there's more on that video, so watch that. It's in my bio, and I hope that helped. It was a quick video, but if you want me to go really in depth and show step by step on how I do it personally whilst I'm watching a lecture, leave a comment down below. If that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment down below if this video was helpful, or if you want me to make more videos like this, because I am planning to make more whilst I'm in my final year of university. So yes, let me know, and please subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you next time. Bye.